think we'll some more pleasure from Mr. Duncan.
All right. This is one written by Lavinia Derwent, and it's entitled The Kirk Moose. I'm a wee Kirk Moose, and I haven't got a name. But on Muckle Kirk in the corner is my home, with the cock in the steeple and the bell that gangs ding, and I wished I was big enough to go it gear ring. I can sing all the psalms, I can say all the prayers, and a whiles do a dance up and down the pulpit stairs. I ken all the texts, I can find them in the book, and there's mony a human being with nae notion of the look. When the minister says, firstly, and the folk all settle down, I gang creeping, creeping in among their Sunday shoe. And I'm wishing as I'm drinking for the passage to the pew, that they'd maybe drop a pan drop, or a peppermint to chew. For I'm sometimes awfully hungry, and there's nothing much to eat, except the paraphrases or a hymn book for a treat. I've eaten the old hunter, I've chowed beatitudes, but I cannot say I've found them just the tastiest of foods. I'm a wee Kirk Moose. I haven't got a name, but I'm really quite contented. It's just my empty way. So I'm hoping that some Sunday, would you mind about me, please? And bring me in your Bible, just a wee bit, taste of cheese.